Hey, Kobi.
Hello.
Wait, he's just lost now in the. I don't even see the blueberry. Where are you?
Yeah, where am I?
You're just a
I don't
blueberry.
know.
That's just good too.
I'm hiding in the tree. I don't know.
Hi. Anyway, yeah, sorry. Um,
Sorry, no blueberry.
no
Okay.
worries.
Right. Uh,
Okay, let me pull up. I'm actually gonna put up the slides because I want to share the images. Does this work? Yeah. So I guess what we can share now is a little bit about Puzzle 5. What do we have in store for this week?
right. So this puzzle is called "To be adaptive is to be strong." It's developed this week by specifically by Pratyush. Sorry. Yeah. So this puzzle is in some way, in spirit, it's similar to a previous puzzle we had. It's also a Sigma protocol that you have to exploit, but in a very different way this time. And yeah, so as usual, you submit the solution using the form. There will be hints throughout the week on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And you can submit your solutions up until 11:59:59 on Monday. That's the
Very
idea.
cool.
Oh, here I am.
Oh wait, are you
Cool.
working now? Does it work? I don't see you. Are you a blueberry
Yeah,
now?
I'm a
No,
blueberry now.
you're great. I'm just going to quickly edit because I just realized that we did not update the text for the sort of hint. So I'm doing that as we speak.
Oh,
Just 1
okay.
second. Like the hint was not correct there. The hint for this time is extra is not always better. It can sound bad. Right?
Yeah, that
Is
can
that
sound
it?
really bad.
Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
actually, that's to be honest, it's true, but it's for the next one.
Oh,
So
that's for the next one? Oh
yeah.
no. I think we have to fix our clues a little bit. Damn it.
Okay, we'll fix
Unless I
it.
grabbed the wrong one. Sorry about that.
We'll
Okay.
fix it.
I thought I was on top of it. Yeah, the prize for this coming one is the ZKValidator, who is also like kind of the co-producer. This is a project that, I'm involved in that, and the podcast. Kobi's also involved in the ZKValidator. So yeah, we're going to be the prize sponsors. I will find we should check on the website to make sure that we get the right one there too. But we'll update that. But yeah, to be adaptive is to be strong. I think, can we add actually the link to the puzzle? Do we know when that's going live? Is it going to be live
It's
now
going to
or?
be live right now.
Ooh, okay. Let's grab it then.
Yep. Let's
Put this in the chat.
Yep.
To be adaptive is to be strong. What is the selectivity can cause weakness? Damn it. That's what it's supposed to be, right?
Exactly. That's the one.
Shoot. Okay. Well, bummer. I don't know if I really have time to fix it this time, but we'll fix it on the website.
It's fine. It's just a background. Really a hint.
Okay, good. Anyway, oh yeah, and actually the puzzle is built by Aleo, and Aleo is also hosting the next ZK Hack workshop on November 30th. So next week around this time, we're going to be coming back here to learn about Leo, Aleo, and that project. And it's kind of it's nice that they happen to be the builders of the puzzle that we'll be awarding the prizes for that week. So yeah, hope to see you all there again. Thanks again to Zach and Joe and Aztec for doing the workshop. And yeah, hope to see you all next week. Take it easy. See you later.